Hola amigos, welcome to Fatima Spanish Kitchen. You know that Spain is known for the tapas, and of course in this channel I have to share with you some tapas. Recipe is a very tasty tapa that is stuffed mushrooms, and we are going to do it with parsley and garlic, typical Spanish. So let's go and start making that wonderful recipe. Voy a compartir con ustedes una tapa deliciosa de España que son champiñones rellenos de ajo y perejil. As always, all the ingredients will be listed below in the description box. I have here 8 mushrooms. I choose to get the white ones because they are bigger, you know, the whole. So what I just wash them really well. You know, be careful with the mushroom. Don't soak it in water because they absorb all the water. I just going to take off all the stem, off all of them. So now we are going to prepare the stuff. Here I have the mortar. So I have the chopped garlic, minced garlic already. I have here like 4 garlic because it wasn't very big. So what I'm going to do is now a paste to fill the mushrooms. So we start adding all the garlic and just start to mash with my mortar. So now I add some parsley. The quantity depends on how many mushrooms you are going to stuff, but you know, here I have like 2 big spoons of parsley. So you see how it becomes. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And still mashing until you see a paste. At the end, you know, figure out how big they were the mushrooms. I decided to add more parsley and more garlic because we want to have, you know, some stuff inside. I'm going to add like 2 teaspoons of olive oil to the paste and keep mashing so we get a paste. So I have my oven in bake in 400 Fahrenheit, that is approximately 200 Celsius. So I have an oven-proof tray. I just going to sprinkle some olive oil, and with a brush, I just, you know, for prevent that the mushrooms get stuck. So I just brush my parchment paper, the paste. So I start stuffing all the mushrooms. Mushrooms have a very big hole, so depend on the mushroom that you have is the quantity of the parsley. It's a wonderful, beautiful, tasty tapa for you to share. What I do is with a brush that has a little bit of oil, you know, I just sprinkle a little bit on top with a brush. When we have all the mushrooms ready, I'm going to put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes, depend in the oven and the size of the mushrooms. I put it in the oven. Our mushrooms are done. I left them 15 minutes in normal bake and 5 minutes in broil. So look at this. They're amazing. 5 minutes in broil allow, you know, to burn, you know, to crispy the top. Of course, I'm going to try it. If not, I wouldn't be me. Right? Let's see. Delicious. This tapa is amazing. Highly recommended for you to make it. You know, you can accommodate the garlic and the parsley for your taste. You can add some spicy inside. So if you like this type of video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. If you subscribe, you help me to grow my channel. Thank you so much. Have a super wonderful week and I see you next Thursday. Bye bye.